Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Brackets play a crucial role in Python programming, serving various purposes from defining data structures to controlling the flow of code execution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the different types of brackets used in Python and provide code examples to illustrate their usage. Parentheses are one of the most commonly used brackets in Python. They serve multiple purposes, including. Here's a code example demonstrating the usage of parentheses. Square brackets are primarily used for defining lists in Python. Lists are mutable sequences that can contain items of different data types. Curly braces are used for defining dictionaries and sets in Python. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Understanding the usage of different brackets in Python is essential for writing clean and efficient code. By mastering the various bracket types, you'll have greater flexibility and control over your Python programs. Practice using parentheses, square brackets, and curly braces in different contexts to become proficient in their usage. ChatGPT